You listen. I'll continue 4B, I'll continue 4C. So 4B says, I want to convert everything to Zahira base what? 2. So how do I convert to base 2? I will write base 2, I will write base 2, and what is the one on top? Cube root of P. Now cube root of P is also written as P 1/3. Then the bottom will be 8. Now, then this will be 1/3. This will be log 2p. This will be log 2, 2. Then the 3 will come down. Zahira, understand this? Right, so log 2 is 1. And log 2p is x. So I have like that. But I cannot allow the 1/3 and divide by 3 to be like that. So I will press my calculator. What is 1/3 divided by 3? So the answer is 19x. People are talking because you already done, but some got problem one, you listen. So don't people talk, you also talk. Now 4 cube is a difficult one because 4 cube p cube. Speak softly, listen. Now this one majority have problem. Who can solve this? Nigel, how to do? Oh, okay. Okay, so let's try the traditional method. Traditional method is, teacher, I know. I will add the log 2 here. But you realize how this become ugly when the power go up. That means this is 2 to the power of p to the power of cube. What is going on? I can't simplify this. Look at the p here. The p is a base, right? The p is a base. So there's no way I can solve this. So I'm going to use another alternative method to try. So how do I try? I ask myself, log 2p is equals to x. How do I have p cube? Rachel, can you help us? How do I have p cube? See, this is p by itself. This is p by itself, but I want a p cube. So I am focusing my attention at this step. How do I upgrade from log 2p to log 2p cube? It's not cube both sides. I have another way of doing it. Square root, no. Add a 3 in front, very good. So add a 3 in front means I multiply. Because the 3 in front can go up. But like that I write is not equal. So the other side must also put 3x. So then I say, oh, this one then is log 2p cube. This is just 3x. But writing this, I will still be stuck. So I will bring in another trick for you to see. So like magic like that. So for example, what is log 2 q equals to log 2m? Now, if both sides is single logarithm, that means both sides only got one logarithm, and both sides has the same base, what can I say about a number? Are they same or different? Same, right? So it means q is equals to m. So I can remove the log 2 like that. It's not divide, it's not cancel, it's compare. This is by comparing. So if I ask you, ln A is equals to ln 2. Both got ln, and both got nothing else. You are able to infer that A is equals to 2. I didn't cancel ln, I only compare the inside. Do you follow so far? But based on this, right? Based on this, I cannot compare anything yet. The one in the box, I cannot compare anything yet. How I wish the 3x got the log 2 there. So what do I do? So log 2p cube is equals to 3x. log 2, right? So I don't know why you are talking. I thought this question is something that many will have problem. So once you convert it to same base, then you say since it is the same base, the inside must be the same. So p cube must be equals to. It's okay, it's okay. If you do something different, you get the same answer, it's okay. Now, I call this 4C alternate. Now, listen. Now, so, okay, if you don't understand the first method, then you hear the second method out. Now, I know that I want to find p cube equals to what? So the idea here is I want to find p equals to what first? So how do I find p equals to what? I need to remove the log 2, right? So I go on and try how to remove log 2. So from here I write log 2p is equals to x log 2. Okay? No, you did the memorized method. So I look at this, right? Because x is equals to log 2 times x as well. Log 2 is just 1. What can I do to the x here? Bring up. Then p equals to 2 to the power of x. So I write slowly. So log 2p is equals to log 2x. So p is equals to 2 to the power of x. Then if I want p cube, means I will cube both sides. So if this is p cube, then this is 2 to the power of 3x. So still the same. But Matthew's method is easier. Got Jiaxue method as well. So I pause